Hello Raider Nation, this is Duntov. I'm back at the stadium. It is Tuesday, April 14th, 2020. So I came out here because I saw on the Northview cam that they had only 2 panels left. So as we can see right now, when I got here they were just pulling up this last panel. So that's, I think, a pretty good milestone. We got the last panel going on the roof. So yesterday when I was here, I think I counted about 12. So I think I'm pretty sure they got like a rush on this, because there's always a chance that the whole site could get shut down. So now with this last panel on, at least they're keeping the elements out. I know they still have more work to do to finish the roof, but having all these ETFE panels up, that's a big accomplishment right there. So we're just gonna hang out, see what they're doing with it for a while. The screen just went black. I didn't know what that was. It was an Amazon van driving by. I thought the camera shut off. So you can see all the people they have. Yeah, I was sitting at the light waiting to turn when they start pulling it up. So I didn't realize it until yesterday when I saw they put those, they got like little rollers that they put across the beam so they could just slide this up. Might be some right there. Trying to figure out what they're doing, like who they're waiting on, if there's guys under there actually maybe taking them rollers out now. I can't tell on the viewfinder, but yeah, those look like rollers right in front of them. You can see white ones. See that guy? He just waved at me. Yeah, right. There's a lot of them, a lot of crew up there. So I'm gonna pan on over. There's some guys I can see walking up this way doing stuff also. You can see there's some kind of beam that looks like they're sticking up. Or I didn't notice that any other area. Sorry for the shake, just zooming in 250 times. Any little movement, it's big. I'm assuming they start from that top part, secure it, and then just stretch it down as they go. Anyone out there knows exactly, they'll leave us a comment, but that's how it kind of appeared like they were doing it yesterday. See, they got one of them big poles right in front. So it looks like, you know, everyone's cleaning up. Last one's up, so. See, it looks like they're holding some kind of metal strips, but I don't know if those go down on top of it and then they secure it. Alright, I just moved to the corner of Russell and Polaris just to try to get a little different angle, but it's pretty close to the same thing. Set this so I could just watch these guys. So you can see how they're grabbing it and like putting it, attaching each like spot. A lot of guys up there now. Like these guys have done this a few times. They know what they're doing. They're just like a swarm of bees, just all doing their thing. almost 2:40 in the afternoon. So a lot of the crew have been walking by us because there's a lot of parking is down back where we parked. So a lot of the crew's getting off work right now. Alright, well, we're looking. So they still haven't started paving Polaris yet. You can see they got it pretty much leveled out. And then right on the corner, Polaris and Russell. And then they haven't put any of the sidewalks in yet. All the way up to the Russell Bridge. See, they got a lot of this styrofoam insulation up here on this end. Okay, if you look at the roof from this spot, alright, it blends in with the sky. So the ETFE panels, you can see how they've got a little like bow to them, how they inflate them, they say. So you can see how they're inflated, and then when we get close to the ones they're putting today, then you can see how see they don't have that curve. These ones don't. And then right there you can see how it's inflated up, how it has the curve. So after they put them in, they said they could fill them up with air. So again, those black and white things, and it looks like that black and red one also, they're just like rollers they put across the beam so they could slide the panel up. Yeah, I was sitting at the light and all of a sudden I seen them sliding the panel up. I was a little upset. I missed it by 5 minutes. But we're on the home stretch here. This is on the west side. You can see they got like all the supplies and stuff there. There's still a lot of people working on that roof. So even though the last panel's getting installed, they still have a lot of work to do to seal everything up. Okay, but that's a good sign. We got the last ETFE panel being installed right now. So that should be, I would say, within an hour or so, they'll have it all the way installed. I'm not sure how they inflate them, you know, what they do with that part, but that's pretty good. Because they had 12 yesterday. I thought it'd be at least a couple days, but from the comments I read, people said they were working pretty late. So they just want this done. So, alright. So I'd like to thank you guys for watching. If you're not subscribed and you would like updates on the stadium, please subscribe to my channel, Raiders 1967. Raider Nation, stay safe, and I'll talk with you guys next time. Hello Raider Nation. So I just got home from the stadium with them putting up that last panel, and I got a package in the mail. This should be my new, I ordered some of my merch. I'm gonna check it out, see what we got. Okay, so this, see, Raiders 1967. So this is the women's fitted top. This is a women's V-neck. Go. So now they have deluxe and regular shirts. I'm not sure which one this is, but this is the men's. So I got Raiders 1967. We got delivery. Another one there. Don't mind my dogs. So there we go. If you want to support the channel, the merch, I get a little profit from each one that helps pay for gas, my camera. So it'd be greatly appreciated. All right, so got my shirts to start wearing. Thank you.